How to send a friend request on Instagram. So first of all, you will have to open the Instagram app and log in with your account. And after you logged into your Instagram account, you will have to search that specific person whom you want to add on the Instagram. So simply you have to search it. So like I will search here nothing. So there might be a person named nothing. Okay, so after searching the specific person, you will have to choose that person whom you want to add on Instagram. So simply I'm choosing this one. So from here, to make the friends on Instagram, you will have to click on this follow option. So simply click on it. So once you are following the specific person whom you want to add on Instagram, so that person will also have to give follow back on Instagram to you. So now from that you will be able to contact each other on Instagram. So likewise, you can also make the friends on Instagram by searching the specific name whom you want to add on Instagram. So that's all. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.